Think Tesla's built-in cameras are enough? I thought so too, until I had a close call and realized there are huge blind spots that Tesla's cameras simply don't cover, especially around the A-pillar angle. Insurance may accept Tesla footage, but if you miss the actual moment of impact, you're out of luck. That's why I installed the 70mai X800 Dashcam, and today I'll show you why it's a must-have, the smartest way to install it without voiding the warranty, and some easy to miss setup mistakes that could ruin your parking mode recording. Let's dive in. Tesla gives you cameras pointing in fixed directions, forward, sides, rear, but no way to adjust them, no internal cabin recording, and key blind spots on the corners. The X800 instantly solves all of that with its wide-angle 170-degree front camera, 150-degree rear camera, and full 360-degree rotation. You can point it wherever you need to, through the side windows at your interior, or even swivel it towards the police officer's direction if you ever get stopped. This 70mai camera is not limited to Teslas. If you drive a PHV or for commercial reasons, this is a game changer. Internal disputes, passenger complaints, you've got a camera ready to record cabin footage at all times to back you up. And what makes this even easier? Voice control. Just say the command and it rotates automatically to a preset direction. No fumbling with the dashcam while driving, no distracting button presses, literally hands-free protection. Now let's talk about Sentry Mode. Tesla's Sentry is fine for basic security and it does its job decently. And if your car doesn't have any Sentry Mode, the 70mai X800 secures your car and records any damage when parked or any hit and run incidents with proper AI detection and live 4G access. You'll get notified when there's suspicious activity like someone loitering near your car, and you can pull up a live view on your phone anytime through the 70mai app and check clips remotely. When you're parked overnight or traveling, you'll actually have peace of mind knowing you can check in on your car instantly. I'll link the manual for the 70mi X800 in the description, but here's what you really need to know. I wired mine using a dedicated dashcam battery pack. No tapping into Tesla fuse boxes, no cutting wires, no annoying error codes. Everything runs through the cigarette lighter port inside the center console, fully hidden, and keeps my warranty fully intact. This setup allows the dashcam to keep recording up to 12 hours or more depending on the size of the battery pack after you park while charging automatically when you drive. The battery pack is also smart enough to know when your car ignition power is on and switch the camera from Sentry Mode to normal drive mode and start recording. But this is where most people mess up. The wiring colors, the 70mai 4G Hardwire Kit and the battery pack have opposite color labeling. On the 70mi kit, yellow is ACC, red is VCC or constant battery. But on the battery pack, yellow is VCC/battery and red is ACC/ignition. If you follow the colors blindly, your dashcam either won't turn on or won't stay on when parked. Always go by the labels, not the colors. Yellow to constant power, red to ignition trigger. If you're unsure or not good with electronics, I'm sure your nearest car accessory or audio installer will be able to do this for you. For those of you wondering about the cleanest way to run the wiring, you'll want to hide it properly through the side trims and headliner. The good news is Tesla actually publishes all of their service manuals on their service website. If you're unsure on removing certain trim pieces or covers, I highly recommend checking that out. It's way better than guessing like with other car brands. You'll know exactly which trim pieces pop off safely, which clips to release, and how to avoid breaking anything during your install. If you're worried about install difficulty, it's really not that bad. I ran the cables through the center console to the passenger side, followed the factory lines down the A-pillar, along the roof liner and to the camera. The battery pack is secured under the passenger seat, invisible from the outside and completely reversible. So cigarette adapter wired to charge the battery pack and battery pack wired to camera. Simple! And for features most people forget, the X800 also records GPS location, vehicle speed, and has timestamp footage. Perfect for handling insurance claims with proper evidence, or just for fun tracking your drives and creating an interesting vlog with the GPS data, as well as the in-cabin recording of your passengers during the road trip. So to recap, you're getting proper wide angle views with no blind spots, 360 rotation with voice control, AI smart alerts instead of spam notifications, proper cabin coverage, full access to your footage remotely, and zero risk to your Tesla's warranty. I'll leave links to everything I used, including the exact battery pack, Hardwire Kit, and service manuals in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you've been relying solely on Tesla's cameras, it's time to seriously rethink your setup. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more EV ownership tips and accessory reviews. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.